Hello guys, welcome to my channel The Legend Prakash. I'm Mr. Prakash Markami from Odisha Malkangiri, small village Sindrimal. I hope you all are amazing. I'm also very fantastic. And today I came in Gumma, Palkaguda. I will show you the most beautiful and charming waterfall which situates in Gumma, Palkaguda. Let's have a look. So let's start this video, friends. Let's go towards the waterfalls. It is very dangerous. There is no path to approach Palkaguda waterfall properly. Still right now there is no road to come in this place. So I'm going towards that waterfall. And this waterfall situates at the top of the hill. And due to no road, we are face several difficulties to approach this waterfall. And you may considering I'm going towards the waterfall, and you may also see there is no road. This waterfall makes Gumma totally beautiful and totally different. There is few miles to approach the waterfall. Now gradually the waterfall appearing. So be careful if you will come in this place, because there is stones. So before coming in this place, you must have careful. See Rambabu.
See who is there? Can't believe that.
You may considering how the beautiful place are looking. So finally we reach to that beautiful and charming waterfall. You may considering, and before coming this place and before approaching this place, you must have to concern that when you will come, that time you have to come with very carefully, because it's dangerous, because there is no proper road to approaching this waterfall. Since we have finally reached our destiny, you may considering, let's move on. Let's go towards the waterfall. You may considering how the water flowing from top to bottom. Now we are moving towards the bottom of this waterfall with my friends. Wow, what's amazing. Now I will take you nearer of that waterfall. Wow. You may considering the beautiful how the water flowing from top to bottom. And some people are bathing here. They are enjoying. Wow, amazing, marvelous, tremendous. I have no word to express. The level of fish will not be shamed after watching this place. Oh. Now I am going to bathing. Six-pack friend is noticing me and telling for taking photograph. I enjoy a lot. So finally I am going to review my video. Take a look. My friends are still there watching. Now we are leaving the place. So it is very dangerous place. So when you will come this place, you must be carefully climb or climb down. Thank you friends for watching my video. Take care all of you. Bye bye. See you on the next video.